Okay, so let's walk you through an example here so you can see what this looks like in action. I got a visual here again. I got the left-hand side and I got the right-hand side, and we see the equal sign, so we know the number of blue circles on this side is exactly the same as the number of blue circles on the right-hand side. And so, as we did before, we're going to let the number of circles underneath the red box be represented as x. So if I look at one of these black rectangles, let's just take this black rectangle, what I have is x plus 1. But on the left-hand side of this equation, I have two of those black boxes. So it's going to be x plus 1, but I'm going to be multiplying it by 2. And then in addition to that, I got 5 more blue circles. So 2 times the quantity x plus 1 plus 5 is equivalent to, and what do I have on the other side? Well, on the other side, I got x plus 1, but I have it 3 different times. So I can say 3 times the quantity x plus 1. So now I got myself an equation that I need to solve for x using the 3 rules of equation solving. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and distribute. So I'm going to distribute the 2 on the left-hand side, so I get 2 times x, which is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. Bring down my plus 5. And then I'm going to keep bringing down my equal sign. Distribute the 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and combine any like terms that I have on the left side, which happens to be a positive 2 and a positive 5. So I'm left with 2x plus 7 equals 3x plus 3. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take that 2x plus 7 equals 3x plus 3, and I'm going to go ahead and get all of my x variables on the left-hand side of the equation. So since this is a 3x, I'm going to subtract a 3x because remember, I need to get 0. That's what I need to get. And if I subtract a 3x on this side, I subtract a 3x on this side. So that gives me negative 1x plus 7 is now equal to 3 because I have my 0 here with 3x minus 3x. I'm going to go ahead and subtract a 7 on each side because on the left-hand side, I need to get 0. And I have to do it to both sides. So that gives me negative 1x equals negative 4. Well, I'm not done solving for x yet because it's a negative x equals negative 4. So now I'm going to go ahead, since I have multiplication here, negative 1 times x, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1 because negative 1 divided by 1 is 1. And when I'm dealing with multiplication, I need to get a 1. And I get an answer of x equals 4. So according to my math, under each red box, there should be 4 blue circles, which would make this equivalent. So let's see what happens here when we do the big reveal. Well, it turns out there's exactly 4 blue circles under each red box, which makes the number of blue circles on this side equivalent to the number of blue circles on the right-hand side.